Hello and thank you for working at Imperial Shop and Save. I'm Brad Langerman with Steritor Sanitary Supply Company. We're the company that provides the cleaning and restroom items for your shop and save. Joining me is
George Gardner, Hot Foods Manager.
In the following segment, we're going to discuss the proper way to clean and maintain our food contact surfaces. Our department food prep tables have to be cleaned and sanitized properly on a regular basis for health and safety reasons. Cleanliness of tables need to be maintained throughout your shift, and at closing time, wash, rinse, and sanitize. Let's take a look at all three steps. You will need to have 2 clean cloths, 2 buckets, one with Shamrock Green solid pot and pan soap, the other with clear rinse water, and disposable solution wipes. The first step in the thorough cleaning of our tables is to remove dry soil and debris, including crumbs. If moisture is added to dry soil, a more challenging cleaning situation is created. Remove all debris and dispose of properly. As part of cleaning for health, the soil that hides the germs must be removed first to be able to properly sanitize. Use Shamrock Green Cleaner in one bucket with a clean cloth. Always use gloves to protect yourself from chemicals and germs. Use saturated cloth to clean table. Fold cloth to provide a fresh cleaning area. Always wipe in one direction. The goal of cleaning is to remove germs, not spread. Flip cloth occasionally to ensure a clean side. Never stop in the middle. Complete wiping a surface before lifting. After cleaning of table, any food or soap residue needs to be removed with a clear water rinse. Use separate cloth, saturate it with clean water. Use same wiping procedures as with cleaning step. Final step is to sanitize surface. Use disposable solution wipe from bucket. Solution wipes are pre-saturated with solid white Sentry sanitizer. Flip sides when sanitizing. Sanitizer destroys 99.9% of all bacteria. And please remember, here at Imperial Shop and Save, we always clean for health first, because a healthy store means healthy customers, healthy employees,
And healthy business.